raise, do you farm sesame? Do you have sesame seeds?
Spell it.
SESAME.
That is sesame.
Yeah.
We do it. You didn't see it today? You passed just near that.
So you don't tell us.
Do you know? Is it the same sesame we are talking about?
Yes.
How it look like?
Tiny white. Yeah.
And the bulbs.
Yes.
It's not like a goosey. Oh.
No,
It's not like
tiny,
it's not like melon.
It's like
Okra, lady fingers, but small.
It's like garden egg
or
seed.
like okra,
Like garden egg
or
seed.
like beans.
Yeah,
But I think it's as tall as this table.
yeah,
Greenish.
greenish.
Yeah.
So that's what we are talking about.
You have it there.
We have it there.
Although I didn't
Sesame.
see it because I
We-
know
we-
the plant very
because
well.
I would just wanted to clarify because here in Benin, people call that egusi sesame. So I don't know if in your place it's the same thing. So that's why I want to clarify it.
No, it's not.
Is that tiny
We
one?
call it Indian sesame or Benesit.
Ah,
Sesame seed is like the seed of garden egg.
yeah,
Very small.
that's
Tiny
it.
and flat.
Used by McDonald's very well.
Yeah.
Because when we were at the Songhai factory,
Yeah. Yeah.
something was going on. They were smoking some.
Yeah.
Okay, they want to do black soap.
Oh, so if they measure it, the soap no go work.
Huh?
The soap no go work.
You know, but in our tradition, that's it. So that's why most of black soap production, they go to the bush to do it because it's not. That's it. Okay.
Well,
But there is another thing we do with the male bunches of palm oil. That one is the one we use as natural soda.
Natural soda
For
for black soap.
soap, not for black soap, for soap, like what you call a soap, toilet soap, all those things. So with that, we don't use chemical soda.
Sorry, I actually want to ask Alima Daniel, even though you have attempted to answer the question, but I still baffles me. It has to do with uniform. Okay? Now, they are in a controlled environment, and not quite many of them there. You understand? Now, it still amazes me, given the kind of uniform that I mean, I'm an animal enthusiast. Why on earth even in the wild, they fly. And that, because convince me that that environment is too conducive. Even though you claim that it's a natural environment, but they don't, they just try to go over there. They start to just people around there,
Okay.
normally, and the work that will come to escape.
Okay, what I will ask you to do, sir, is to just experiment it. Experiment it with just 2 guinea fowl. Don't cut their wings. Create that natural environment. You can use Panicum maximum, and you can use maximum. That is the grass. It looks like lemongrass.
They actually eat grass.
They actually eat grass. If that grass look like lemongrass, it's not lemongrass. You can plant it, and it has some. They seed at the top. Okay, you just need to pluck some, and just spray it. They will grow. Once they now start growing, put 2 guinea fowl there. Don't cut their wings. Put feeders, put drinkers. Don't cover it. Just leave them there. And be sure that nobody will come and address them. If somebody come and address them, they will fly.
Give the what? Aggression.
Anybody come to
Address.
the southern, they will fly. Because they are not at that time domesticated. Okay? They are not adapted to that kind of
Environment.
So you leave them. And then after 3 months, stop. You can clear the place.
Meanwhile, you keep them right from their infancy. Right from
When they are young, so not like chicks. Okay, but some maybe they are 3 months or 4 months. And after 3 months, clear the place where you put them. You just leave the feathers and drinkers, and observe what will happen in between 2 weeks. If you come back and you see them there, just call me and say you know. When they are in the bush, even you see akparu, he fly only when he perceives the danger, so coming from anywhere he can fly. And even akparu, when you come closer to him, he will never fly at that time. He will be near you, but you will never know that he's there.
Yeah.
But when you just turn like this, is when they notice that something is happening. That at that time they can fly.
Sorry, you said get them when they're like 3 months.
Yeah,
Are you getting them from a domesticated place or getting them from the wild?
from anywhere. Just do
So
it.
there is
But
possi-
if they are from bush, okay, you have to maintain them. Maybe tie their, when you take their hands, so their wings. Okay, the 3 first feathers, the long one. Okay, you tie them together. You do it here, you do it here. Okay, maybe for a month, and then you come to remove the
So there is possibility if you create natural habitat for them there, and there are others that are all over the place. They can come there and even stay with them.
They can come and stay with them if they see food and the environment is comfortable for them. Because you see, even with me, I did that thing before. I hear rabbit, I hear turkeys, I hear guinea fowl. But just the nest compound, okay, they don't weed. So my turkeys and guinea fowl, when they fly off, they just go there.
Okay.
You understand? They just stay there. They don't go anywhere. They don't have food, but they just stay there. They lay eggs, they hatch them. And the other at that place, he just collects things and he sell it. But before I noticed that he doesn't really guinea fowl or turkey, he was late. That's all everything. Because for me, he was also raining guinea fowl and turkey. But nothing like that. It's only my own.
Oh, that goes over there.
That's
What's
it.
the environment is?
It doesn't feed them. I told you I told you Panicum maximum and elephant grass because they can eat those leaves. They can eat them. So that's why I told you to use Panicum maximum. That Panicum maximum look like lemongrass. That's it.
Is that the one we saw? Those small one that you use for erosion?
Yeah.
Yeah,
No,
Caesar,
that
I
one is
have a
veterinary.
question.
Caesar, please, can
Yeah.
you spell the panicum for me?
Panicum, Panicum. Panicum. Yes.
Yes, Caesar.
Yeah,
Sorry. It's for vegetable farming. I notice a lot of things there. What is the best way for preparation of the land for vegetable farming? Land
What's the best?
Land preparation before you start. Because I discovered that most of them you make beds and then you put a lot
Land
of mulching.
preparation is another area.
Yes, I know. That's what I'm
It's
saying.
another area.
I know,
That's
because
a mistake most of farmers do.
Uh-huh.
They don't do land preparation. What
Yeah.
they do just make ridge and then fertilize it and then grow what they plant what they want to grow.
Alright.
Land preparation is another area. And that one I don't want to discuss. I'm working with I've left the crop production now.
Land preparation.
And I mean
Okay, just 2 minutes on land
I'm
preparation.
coming.
No, it's very important for farmers.